Good morning, guys. I'm going to make a breakfast. Avocado toast for me and sandwich for Peter. Bon appetit. Tosha just after shower. And usually after shower he a little bit crazy. That's funny.
Oh, yeah, he's growling.
Oh yeah. No growling.
Cuckoo mode.
Cuckoo mode after shower. I can't remember this word and I try to learn how to pronounce it. Drawer?
Drawer.
Drawer.
Here, I'm gonna let you listen to it.
Drawer.
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 Drawer. So difficult.
Drawer.
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 Drawer. So difficult word. Whatever. Okay. Let's go for lunch.
Let's go for lunch.
Today in the same place like 2 days before. We really like this place for lunch. So, bon appetit. So, we're going on the beach. Today is a very nice weather. It's very sunny. And we check how it's called, the forecast.
Weather forecast.
We checked the weather forecast and next week it will be cooler, a little rainy, so we use a moment or how?
Take advantage of the time now.
So we take advantage, how?
So we're gonna live in the moment.
So we're gonna live in the moment. And Tosha coming with us. We're actually going to walk first because we have really big lunch and we need to burn some calories. Yeah, and we showered Tosha, so he smells nice now and looks nice. So we're on the beach, having a drink. It's Sunday, so we enjoy a lot of people today.
Dogs.
A lot of dogs, yeah, it's true. It's very nice. Hey guys, I just woke up. It's 7:15 at evening. I took a nap after beach. I don't know, I don't feel super energetic. We are going to walk our dog
We did a sandwich at Subway.
and get sandwich.
Olha, filha.
Ah, ela gosta, ela. Bonitinha.
Subway. We love Subway. We got sandwiches. How much Subway costs in the States?
Much more than this.
So we got two sandwiches on promotion for how much in dollars?
In dollars would be $2.60
$2.60
for a foot-long sandwich.
for, yeah. We just finished our sandwiches. I call it a really lazy dinner because you don't even wash the dishes. But it's good when you feel tired, you know. So we're gonna watch a movie. How's the movie called?
Apollo 13.
We're gonna watch Apollo 13. Should be really nice movie. So yeah, that's it. That's it. We're gonna go to sleep after. So good night, guys. See you tomorrow.